Hello there, let's talk about this beauty, the Leatherman Free P2. Free, from my point of view, comes from freedom, as it gives you this possibility to open and close the pliers with one hand, and obviously do the same with all the tools inside. P comes from pliers, you saw them earlier, and 2 comes from the main 2 tools, which you've already saw it, the saw and the main blade. Which main blade, as you can see, has some really aggressive serrations. I don't like them to be so aggressive, but yeah, they're useful in some situations. Serrations or serrated blades cut really well dense, thick materials. Again, the scissor that you saw, I like it, it's nice. It's kinda long, could have been longer. See how much space they have here. The rest of the tools, I've presented them on my P4 review. So can opener, yeah, okay. This is on owl and a real fancy mini straight screwdriver. A straight screwdriver and the file, from which file from my point of view it's good only for nails. The file needs to be long. And regarding these 2 screwdrivers, they are really I wanted to say heavy duty, but they hold up to stress quite well. So yeah, they are robust. This is what I wanted to say. Regarding the rest, it's slimmer than the P4 because it has 2 main tools less. And because of that, these 2 scales aren't flat. From my point of view, this nice curve should have been on both sides, not only on one. And also these scales should have been presented also on the P4. I like them more, but yeah, this is just my my point. Other than that, it's good, it's useful, this pocket clip, but it's too big and yeah, it gets in the way of the ergonomics, let's say like that. Pliers are fine, are okay. The only problem with the pliers from the Free series is when you do this and rotate, because of these bushings, they are silicone based. I've opened one and took a closer look on them. It tends to do this and you don't have much control. See? Now imagine if I would really hold on something and rotate with force. They won't give, to be honest. They are really tough, these bushings, and also the pivots here and everything, but yeah, I don't like that, to be honest. Apart from that, the price, yeah, it should have been priced a little lower, under the $100 mark, but yeah, you know, it's something new. They have to pay the R&D and everything and the rest, and yeah, it's a cool multi-tool. And actually, from my point of view, this should have been called a pocket knife with pliers. I have this saying, it's more of a pocket knife with pliers than a real multi-tool. Like the Surge or the Wave, from my point of view, those are multi-tools. They are more robust and more heavy duty than this one. This one is great for everyday carry, urban city area, and small stuff like bicycle, kids toys, this thing. But yeah, this is just my point. I'm more than sure that you can use this in a variety of other situations. Other than that, it's cool as hell to do this flipping, and also to open the tools with one hand. So again, that is why I say the P comes from actually not the P, the free comes from freedom, pardon me. It's a cool multi-tool, a little bit expensive. This is the Free P2 in my view. Thanks.